it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's 7 back to school life hacks for 2018. And today I'll be giving you guys some life hacks for school that will help you during this year of 2018. But if you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up? Home Skillet Biscuit. My name's Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this fam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and let's get started with the video. The first life hack is, after writing a paper, copy and paste it onto Google Translate and listen to hear if you hear any mistakes. Instead of just like searching for mistakes, just gonna read it back to you, and then you're gonna hear your mistakes and you're gonna know, and I feel like this is just gonna be quicker and you're gonna save time. The second life hack is to write stuff that you need to remember, like that's super important, in blue, because this will help you memorize it better. I guess it's like something in your brain makes you remember, like if it's a different color than what you're used to, like black, it will help you remember what you need to remember. And you're more likely to remember what you write in blue than you are in black. So whatever's like super important, pop out like a blue pen or a purple pen or a pink pen and write the important stuff, and then the regular stuff in black. And I just happen to have these pens out for no apparent reason. Life hack number 3. These are for my college students. If you have a Keurig, because I had a Keurig in college, all you need to do is stick your cup of noodles, oodle of noodles, your top ramen that comes in a cup, underneath, well, in your Keurig, and then put it on the, most water you can get, and it'll pour out hot water. Then just put the lid thingy on top, let it soak for about 3 minutes, and you are good with oodles of noodles. And you don't need a microwave, because I know a lot of colleges do not come with microwaves, and this is just easy to do. And plus you get like boiling hot water already. It's like that. Life hack number 4 is for when you're studying. To memorize something better, what you want to do is study for 30 to 50 minutes, then take 10-minute breaks in between the increments of 30 to 50 minutes of studying. So like you study for 30 minutes, 10-minute break. Study for 50 minutes, 10-minute break. Study for 30 minutes again, 10-minute break. Keep doing that, and honestly, because your brain needs a rest. Everybody needs some rest, a break. You know what I mean? So it can rest your brain. You can have it all in your head. You know what's going on. Trust me, your girl went to college. Yes, right, college educated, BS, Bachelor of Science. Don't play. This stuff really works. Trust me, I did this. Especially my senior year was my hardest year. Don't know why I decided to take all my hardest classes my senior year. Don't do that. That's how I graduated on the Dean's List the last year. That's right, 3.5. Don't play. Actually, I graduated with higher than a 3.0, but still don't play, because the last 2 years of college was all 3.5s, and it was all thanks to the life hacks that I learned on YouTube. So I'm just helping you and giving you some advice. Number 5, discounts. Life hacks. There are so many discounts that you can get. I will have the discounts of like certain restaurants that you can get because you're a student linked in the description down below. I believe Chipotle does, like, you get a free drink if you show your student ID, which is amazing, because especially college students, I know how you are, because I was one, and it was a struggle, trying to save that money because you wanted to go out, but you also wanted to eat. So it was a struggle between the two, eating and partying. It is very, 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 very important. Not that I partied at all. Life hack number 6. Make a get ready playlist. So what do you do to get ready in the morning? So if you need to get in the shower, if you need to like do your makeup or something like that, make a playlist as long as how much you want to spend. Like, however long you want to spend on getting ready, you should make a playlist that length. So play it when you get ready to start your routine, and then when you hear similar songs, you're going to start learning to get faster at your routine. Soon you'll start having extra time, and this will help you out. Plus, it's always awesome, and it puts you in a good mood if you're listening to your favorite songs before you go to school. But don't get distracted, because that happens. I'd be like, I'm getting ready, but I want to shine bright like a diamond. So the last life hack is super easy, and it's the new year, so I want everybody to start drinking more water. I have this issue myself. My boyfriend gets mad at me and tells me this all the time, that I don't drink enough water, and that is why I'm tired throughout the day. Like literally, we were going to bed, he handed me water, I took a sip, and by the time we woke up and we had breakfast, you know, he had already had 2 bottles of water between the time we laid down to go to bed to after breakfast, and I literally only had 2 sips of water. So drink more water, trust me, it will help you, it will keep you energized, you will stay hydrated. That should be a goal for this year, not even a life hack, but a goal for this year, that you need to drink more water, because I am. That's a goal for me. So, goal, life hack, it's something that you need to do. So drink more water so your skin can be flawless too. This life hack is so you can stay up as well during school, because you do not want to be falling asleep. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I am Simply Morgan. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of this fam bam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Skillers. A biscuit.